Tea recipe. 1 tea bag black, green, or herbal. Depending on your preference, 1 cup of water, sweetener sugar, honey, or another sweetener of your choice optional, milk or cream optional. Boil water. Place a kettle or a pot with water on the stove and bring it to a boil. Warm your teapot or cup while the water is heating. Warm your teapot or cup by rinsing it with hot tap water. This helps to maintain the tea's temperature. Add the tea bag once the water reaches a rolling boil. Pour it over the tea bag in your teapot or cup. Steep the tea. Cover the teapot or cup with a lid or saucer and let the tea steep. The steeping time varies depending on the type of tea. Black tea, 3 to 5 minutes. Green tea, 2 to 3 minutes. Herbal tea, 5 to 7 minutes, or as recommended on the packaging. Remove the tea bag after the appropriate steeping time. Remove the tea bag from the water. Be careful not to squeeze it to avoid bitterness. Add sweetener if desired, if you prefer your tea sweetened. Add sugar, honey, or your choice of sweetener to taste. Stir until it's dissolved. Add milk or cream if desired, for a creamy touch. Add a splash of milk or cream to your tea. Enjoy! Sip your hot tea slowly and savor the comforting warmth and flavor.